Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association hak artrik unai lur aracar posan. Kelapin mena bikin Pynlong ya arm wrestling squatting gajing Pynkhreh ya 39 National Games ke Pynlong House nem aracar punyau hak dengan jela Meghalaya. President John Mawa ba June Star Kharbuli hak gajing akram bikilar patai kubor. Ulay thu bahag dengan rensan ke bene shitiau shisngi ke sedang nadukar punyau trik unai lur aracar posan. Shillong College Shillong on the Pynlong ke inter school Bad College naduk ke kedan kelas 11 ke inter district office ke inter private sector perkum juru na kebenta ke dekat jong ke gym berper-per ke bedan hari lung khasi jaintia Bad Karo.
Yang Mawa ni pernah pada di Kapor ya kemang stamshua dan kata jing scouting lembah baru kita jengki rasu kata Pynlong ke college kemang stang di kelas 11 Shillong untuk lagi universiti hidup kita nak cukup kabar pendek inter office kemang ini untuk lagi ki private sector ni firm ni kabalai kan inter gym kemang kan orang gym kena bagi sementai di tournament ke pasar pendek inter district yang ni nak kalian kemauan tidak menyelam yang perlu di dekat di district hotel di Pynlong desi di Garu kunjuru di Penang pada kunjuru di Beduna department di dalam ni di bawah sign language apa nang bala reach out di kini Penang di Paro ini hari di PH di Wilayah yang value in Pynlong nanti Shillong College di Pynlong House September dan Oktober tarik dan di weekend dia Shillong College kita kata harus sampai event di CTO Sismi di kunta kejeng Pynlong amal kismi ni sabun share dan di pau di poster dan di flyers di mention how to kesni ke benda yang tadi college kesni ke benda yang tadi district yang tadi office pada penjuru yang tadi gym di kami kendai ke jinjit ke Pynlong ban Pynkhreh part yang tadi upcoming national team ke Pynlong host dem apo nyo di ngidan ho di coach na po Meghalaya satu peningun Andre ni sawanya lampat di international coach hakaba bunai Oktober dan November ni la pandon ka di selection athletes lembaga ni event harangkat begitu di athletes di berada lembah nak liang lebih ka kunhun jo Mawa ya kabangin dia train kan but ngin sana part Pynkhreh dan event saya madan ni baca hitam hak ni kipor di sini ke benuan di banyak pun nama tak 39 national team but ni kermendu ni kita create ni kan wanyalam so batiang bersiam but lemah ni kita trash tom ni pun kemauan ngit scam wah injo job so
we all know that in 2027 the Meghalaya will be able to host the 39 national game. So as part of this national game, arm wrestling has been selected to be one of the disciplines to be part of this event. So since we are being selected to participate in this 39 national game, the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association has taken initiative to conduct a scouting event. So this scouting event has been named as the Meghalaya State Open Arm Wrestling Selection, which will be held from the 27th of September till the 4th of October. So in this event, there will be only an open category, which means there will be only a senior category. So the weight category will be as per the WAF rules. And we also encourage all the athletes from across the states to come and participate in this event. And we also encourage the institute whom we have sent invitation to come and participate in this event. And we would also like to tell that it is a history in Meghalaya that it is the first time that the arm wrestling is being conducted both in the left hand and right hand. So we encourage all the gym, all the districts, all the institutes, the government offices, private sectors, and all the resident Meghalaya who have the potential and who have the courage to come and participate in this event. So we would encourage even our friend from the para category. We encourage you to come and participate in this event, but we would like to let you know that it's only for the standing category. Sitting category will not be available. So this is the announcement from the Meghalaya Arms Association.